Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MailerLite AI for automated onboarding sequences step by step clearly. First, log into your MailerLite account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the automation option in the top menu. Select Create Workflow from the automation page. Choose the Starts from Scratch option to begin a new workflow. Give your workflow a name that reflects its purpose. Click on Save and Continue to proceed. Pick the group that will start this onboarding sequence. Set the trigger conditions as needed for your onboarding sequence. Click Save Trigger to confirm your settings. Now, add an email step by clicking on the plus icon. Select Email from the drop-down menu that appears. Design your onboarding email using the various editing tools. You can add personalization, images, and call to action buttons. Once your email is ready, click Save to finalize it. Next, add a delay step if you want to space out the emails. Select Delay from the options. Specify how long you want to wait before sending the next email. Click Save after setting your delay time. Repeat the process of adding an email and optional delays for the next steps in your sequence. Continue adding steps until your onboarding sequence is complete. Once finished, review your workflow to check for any errors. Click on the Activate button to enable your automation. Monitor the performance of your onboarding sequence over time. Your automated onboarding sequence is now configured and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.